What I'm making? Zuppa Toscana soup. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. Zuppa Toscana.
Which means
Tuscan soup. I knew that. I knew that. Bah.
You need a like pop up.
Bah.
Like every time you say it, that shit needs to pop up on the screen.
Just
like
bah.
like a comic book. Like
Yeah.
bam. Just say loud.
I'm going to figure that out. Bah. Just in case I figure it out. Zuppa Toscana. This soup consists of. Are you finished? Okay, this soup consists of potatoes, mild Italian sausage. You can do hot if you're feeling freaky. Mild Italian sausage. We got sausages, all the sausages. I'm happy to make you sit in the other room. You breathe funny.
I promise I won't breathe funny.
Oh, we ain't never gonna get. We ain't never gonna finish this video.
Just do it.
One
Just do it.
eternity later.
Potatoes, mild Italian sausage, bacon, kale, onion, garlic, salt and pepper, red pepper flakes, heavy cream, a little white wine vinegar, and chicken broth. Fuck yeah! I'll link the recipe in the description below. Boy, it's like, it's dry. Just pat, pat, pat. First, we want to get this bacon going. You'll throw it all in the same pot that you cooking everything in. Put 4 to 5 slices. I'm gonna go 5. You know, I'm gonna take everything to the max. As soon as this bacon is done, we're gonna pull it up and we're gonna throw this mild sausage right in there. Gonna cook it right in the bacon oil and drippings. Ah, it's gonna be so good. All right, the bacon is done. We're gonna pull it up, put it on a paper towel to drain. We're gonna turn the fire down a little bit. I don't know why. I like the Italian sausage in the casing better. This casing must be holding in some flavor or something, cause boy, it tastes way better. So we wanna take this out the casing, dump it right into this bacon grease and bacon drippings. Yeah. Make sure you get it all off the casing. Make sure you get it all. There you go. All right, now you want to break the sausage up to little pieces, not too small. Well, me personally, I don't like them too small. I like my pieces a little meaty in this soup. Now that the sausage is done, nice and brown, I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna drain half the oil and let the potatoes cook in the rest. The drip. Eames. All right, now I'm gonna add my potatoes right into the pot. Gonna get all the flavor inside these potatoes. I'm gonna add 1 whole white onion chop. I'm gonna add 5 cloves of garlic. I love garlic. Feel free to make this recipe your own. Add as much, take out what you want. Mix this up. cook it down till the potatoes get a little soft. Not too soft, we don't want mashed potatoes, you want a little texture to them. All right, now that I got these potatoes on, I'm gonna go ahead and attack this kale. Go ahead and take these stems off and chop them up a bit. Now after the potatoes, onion, and garlic cook down a little bit, you wanna add your salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. Give it a mix. All right, now you wanna add 6 cups of chicken broth. All right, you wanna put the heat on high and bring it to a boil. Yes, sir. Oh my God. Hey, just this potatoes and broth with the seasonings and the garlic and the onion. Oh my God, it smells so good in here. Okay, now that the potatoes have come to a boil, you want to reduce the heat to a medium-low and simmer until potatoes are tender and cooked through. Should take about 15-20 minutes. Okay, now that this has been reduced to a medium-low, we're going to let it simmer for about 15 minutes until the potatoes are nice and tender. Okay, now that the potatoes are nice and tender, took about 17 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients, starting with the kale. I'm gonna add 6 cups. Go ahead and get that mixed in there, because we're gonna need this kale cooked down a little bit. Turn the heat up to a medium. Okay, now that the kale is cooked down some, we want to add the bacon and the sausage. Give it a stir. I gotta give it a better stir than this. Like holding the camera in one hand, trying to stir with the other hand. Over here doing a little bit too much. I got this electric stove, this thing sliding all over the place. All right, now we're gonna add 1 cup of heavy cream. And we're gonna stir it in. Ooh, would you look at that? It's coming together nicely, looking like Zuppa Toscana. Yeah, I thought I wasn't gonna say it right now. Okay, now it's time to add the white wine vinegar. We're gonna add a tablespoon. We're gonna give it a stir. We're gonna let it simmer for another 5 minutes. And I'm gonna plate this bad boy. Now that the soup is ready, it's time for a taste test. Go bring the whole pot over here. Pot of that good loving. Oh my God. Looks like Zuppa Toscana to me. Whew. Now that the soup is ready, it's time for a taste test. Go ahead and pour up a bowl. Get some of this broth in there. Whew. Like to top mine with a little Parmesan cheese. Bam! Zuppa Toscana soup. Ooh, it's hot.
Yeah.
Ooh. It's hot, but it's good. Ooh, we do not want to burn my tongue again. Mmm. There you have it. Zuppa Toscana soup. It's real tasty, y'all. Remember, if you like this video, hit that like, smash that subscribe button.